Best dogs for condo living, finding the perfect pup for your perfect place. Hi, I'm Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and today we are talking about two of my favorite things, homes and dogs. Because let's be honest, sometimes the real question is not, does this condo have a balcony? It is, will my dog approve of this balcony? Priorities, people. If you are buying a condo, choosing the right dog can make life easier for you, your neighbors, and your four-legged roommate. Condo living usually means less yard space, shared walls, elevators, sidewalks, and sometimes HOA pet rules, so the best condo dogs are usually smaller, calmer, adaptable, and not professional-level bark announcers. 1. Dachshunds. Of course, I have to start with dachshunds because I am proudly biased. Dachshunds can be wonderful condo dogs because they are small, loyal, and love being close to their people. They do need walks, playtime, and training because they have big personalities packed into little hot dog bodies. They may be small, but they often believe they are the building manager. 2. French Bulldogs. Frenchies are popular condo dogs because they are compact, affectionate, and usually do not require a huge amount of exercise. A few short walks and some indoor play can keep them happy. They are also great couch companions, which is perfect if your favorite evening activity is Netflix and do not judge my snacks. 3. Cavalier King Charles Spaniels. These sweet pups are gentle, loving, and usually adapt well to smaller spaces. They enjoy walks but are also happy to snuggle. They are a great choice for someone who wants a friendly companion without needing a backyard the size of a football field. 4. Shih Tzus. Shih Tzus were basically made to be indoor companions. They are small, affectionate, and typically do well in condos. They do need grooming, so plan for regular brushing or salon visits unless you want them looking like a tiny mop with the hands. 5. Maltese. Maltese dogs are small, sweet, and often great for condo living. They do not need a large yard, but they do love attention and companionship. Their size makes them easy to manage in elevators, hallways, and small living spaces. 6. Greyhounds. This one surprises people, but retired greyhounds can actually be excellent condo dogs. Even though they are larger, many are calm, quiet, and love lounging. They need regular walks, but they are often professional couch potatoes once inside. Before you pick the pup, check the condo rules. Before you fall in love with a dog or a condo, always check the HOA or condo association rules. Many communities have pet restrictions, including limits on breed, size, weight, number of pets, and even where dogs can be walked. The right home should fit your lifestyle, paws, tails, treats, and all. When buying a condo, think about nearby walking areas, stairs or elevators, outdoor space, pet stations, flooring, noise levels, and how easy it will be to take your dog out every day. A beautiful condo is even better when it works for every member of the family, including the furry ones. Looking for a condo, townhome, or forever home that fits both you and your best friend? I would love to help you find the perfect place. Search for homes here. MargarettSellsDreamHomes.com. Call or text me 321-480-7662. Watch home tours, walkthroughs, and helpful real estate videos on YouTube. Dream Home, Space Coast, Florida. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, signing off. And don't forget, the right home should have room for your dreams, your furniture, and at least one spoiled dog.